morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter Weathering the Storm in Irsama from the book Moment, and it's chapter 6. So Weathering the Storm in Irsama by Harsh Mander. So Weathering the Storm in Irsama is a story about a boy named Prashant and who was there in cyclone. He was trapped there, he was in problem, he was in difficulty, and then he found the solution and he helped a lot like a volunteer. And what did he do? We will see here, we will read there. And he manages to reach his village, and also with great difficulty he was very happy at that time to see his family, and he becomes the leader of his village and forms the team of volunteers with the help of the villagers. And also he tried and he did it to find out the solution. So Prashant is here and Prashant's friends are here in this story. So first is there on 27th October 1999, Prashant goes to meet his friend. It was 7 years after his mother's death. His friend lives in the coastal town of Ersama. Coastal means at the sea coast. It is 18 kilometers from the village of Prashant. So Prashant's village name is Kalikuda. So cyclone hits Ersama. So what happened? A cyclone storm hits Ersama that evening, and continuously it was raining 36 hours, and it accompanied by heavy rain it was there, and this results in flooding of the town. So we are well aware when it is continuously raining and no means like no stop is there and continuously it is raining, this always in result in flood. So it was there. As a result, Prashant and his friends family, they were there taking shelter at the rooftop of the house to save their lives. They were sitting there, you can see here. Next is here, next line. Water has spread everywhere. Houses were broken and trees had fallen down. Trees were uprooted and dead animals and human bodies were floating everywhere. Next is here. Prashant is worried about the well-being of his family. He was thinking about his family members, whether they would be alive or not. So when rain stopped after 3 days, he decided to go to his village to find out his family members. He takes a long stick to help him locate the road because it was water all around and no one can see whether he had to keep his feet, he has to step. So for finding out the clear path, he had taken a stick because it was water all around. On the way, he has to push away many dead bodies of humans and animals. It was a very dreadful scene. It was very frightening scene that he had seen. With great difficulty, he covers the distance of 18 kilometers and reaches his village. So he saw, you can see in this picture, Prashant has taken a stick to see the way, to see the path, because no one can see in the water where is deep pitch or where we can step. So to find out the way, to find out the clear way, he had taken a stick. You can see in this picture. So with the help of a stick, he was there trying to find out the way, and thank God he reached to his family members, and he was very happy, and his family members also were very happy to see him. And then he just was happy, and he went to Red Cross camp, and 86 people died in Prashant's village in the cyclone, and the people who had survived the cyclone took refuge in the Red Cross shelter. Means they were taking shelter there in Red Cross society, and then because their houses were totally destroyed. See here. By the next morning, as he took in the desperate situation in the shelter, he decided to get a grip over him. He was thinking to find out the solution. He sensed a deathly grief setting upon the 2,500 strong crowd in the shelter. They were taking crowd. It is 6 lives were lost in the village. He just found out. So here Prashant, all of 19 years, decided to step in as leader of his village. He decided to be a leader in his village. So he started doing his work. He made a group of youths and elders to jointly pressurize the merchant once again to part with his rice, because rich people can help in need. So he requested with all the elders of his village, and then डेलीगेशन सक्सीडेड एंड रिटर्न ट्रायम्फेंटली का मतलब कि वो सक्सेसफुल रहा, लोगों ने हेल्प करने के लिए लोग एग्री हुए, जो रिच पीपल थे, मर्चेंट्स थे, दे वर agreed that they will help. No one cared the rice was already rotting, but it was rotten rice anyhow, because all the people who were taking shelter, they were hungry. So hardly they had made fire, and they cooked rice that was rotten, and after 3 days they had eaten fully. So it was a like a boon. On the 5th day, a military helicopter flew over the shelter and dropped some food parcels. So here Prashant has taken the responsibility as a leader. He said to the boys of his village to lie down in this way, and just putting the pots on their stomachs to indicate that they are still hungry, to just divert the attention of the authorities in the helicopter. So this plan was successful, and they came to know that yes, abhi yet here is need of help. So the authorities, they came there, and they were there in help of providing food, shelter, and clothes and everything. So they deputed the children to be lie in the sand, as I told you. So helicopter, when they saw, they came to know that all the boys, they were very happy. So they came down, and then authorities, they were there, came to know that the villagers were in need, great need. So Prashant found that a large number of children, because in flood, because many children, they are left without their parents, and parents, they are left without their children. So many people, they die, and they lost their families. So Prashant has decided to mix them together. So the ladies who had lost, they had lost their families, so he had combined them, and ladies, they were taking care of the orphan children, and then orphan children, they got their mother, father. So in that way he had contributed this. The men in the shelter procure food and materials, and elder ladies, they were taking care of the children. In that way they were cooperating each other. After 6 months of the devastation of the cyclone, Prashant is feeling better. His wounded spirit has healed, as he did not have time to think about his pain. The widows, see here, the widows and the orphans, they got their families, not like their own family, but as widows, they were taking care of the orphan children. In that way they got the children, and children, they got their families. In that way he had suggested, and they cooperated. So the widows and orphans of his village seek his help whenever they are in the trouble. Thus Prashant's courage and affection for needy people teach us to stand bold and cool in hard times. So here we have come to know how Prashant has taken the responsibility to help his villagers as a volunteer, and he did it. So this is about this chapter as we have read it about Prashant. How did he help his family? So I hope you would have understood very well. Thank you and Jai Hind.